Wilde's visit to the US was determinant for his future. It was an experience that gave him an audience because his lectures were, at least initially, packed. It was also an experience that introduced him to American showmen, and these American showmen taught him how he should look. They dressed him up so that he looked very attractive, and this attracted the attention of American women in particular. They had him photographed by the celebrity photographers of the day who made him look like a star. Overnight, he looked very seductive, very sexy, and this again packed the halls. The other thing that happened to him in America is that he was the subject of numerous interviews. Before going to America, he had 0 interviews. In America, he had 98 interviews. And by dint of being interviewed, he finds his voice. He finds a way of speaking that is witty, that is exciting. And he finds a way of talking that we can begin to recognize as this signature Wildean style, a signature style that didn't exist before he goes over. And I think most shockingly, it's in America that he is spoofed, derided, and the subject of really bitter anti-Irish sentiment that will eventually turn him into a figure of fun and a blackface character.